first, wait, we did first times. Okay, so Overpass Graffiti. Sorry. Kind of a funky one. Okay, so we can play this without the cable. Sounds like a Dua Lipa song. Okay. Alright, so let me give you the chords to this. For the verse/intro, we're playing A minor. Alright, just give me a sec. Alright, so for the verse/intro, we're gonna be playing A minor. We have A minor to A minor to G to F. Na, 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 na. G. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, na, na. So A minor is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. And then G is 3, 2, open, 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 3. Yeah, and then F in this case will be 1, open, 3, 2, 1, open. And then the pre-chorus is sorry, that's my cousin. For G we have so that's G for that. G, and then F, and I've already shown you how to play those. And then chorus is C to G, and then D minor, which is open, 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 2, 3, 1, right? And then we're back to F. That's the last chord. So C. Alright, so now let's work on the strumming patterns. So I guess beginner, intermediate, and advanced will be playing the same thing on the song because it's based off of the strums. Okay, let me just rewind to the chorus. There we go. So down, down, up, up, down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, up, down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, up, down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, up. That's the same for down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. So the one I just showed you is the one for the verse, and then this one is for your chorus, right? So you have up, up, down, down, 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 up, up, up. Okay, so for your chorus, at the end, you play G, and that's the baby, you'll never get lost on me. And you're back on A minor. right? And you're already playing what you were playing for your verse, right? Which is A minor, and then you switch to G, and then you go to F. Can't replace it. G, F, G, to F. And then we get into chorus, which is C, G, D minor, and then F. That G at the end. Never get lost with me. A minor.